Welcome to part 2 of our Forces Drag and Drop project. Today, we will search and add images with a transparent background to add to our activity. Let's get started. I'm here in my document, and the first thing that I need to do is to change title from Drag and Drop Background to Forces Drag and Drop. So I'm going to, right here, if you can see my arrow, I'm going to click right next to that D, and I'm going to add the word forces and a space. Then I'm going to move my cursor and click next to the D, and I'm going to backspace the word background out. Then on my keyboard, I'm going to hit enter. Again, on the keyboard, hit the enter key. Then that saves your title to Forces Drag and Drop. Now, let's get started adding some images. Of course, we're going to be looking for things that push or images that pull. And the quickest and easiest way to do that is to insert using our icon menu here. We're going to click on the little picture next to the two T's right here where my big finger, I'm going to click. And then I got a menu that pops up. And on that menu, I'm going to click on Search the Web. And then I'm going to get a pop-up window over on the right-hand side. And here you can type things like, for example, you want someone flying a kite, which is a pool. So fly a kite. And then I'm going to use the words transparent background and hit enter. And this is going to pull up a whole bunch of different images. And I put transparent background because I don't really want a white background or like this blue sky here. I just would like for the background to be plain. So we're going to pick this little guy here. And you notice he has a white background. I mean, he'll work. I prefer not having any background at all. So I could try another one here. Maybe this little guy right here. Like this little guy right here. Unfortunately, it doesn't show flying a kite, but you see how there's a difference. This one has a white background and this one's transparent. These are the kinds of pictures that are best, but if we can't find one, this one right here will work. The one with where the little boy is pulling the kite. So we want to pick that one, and I'm going to click on this and delete it. And then I'm going to just move him over here out of the way. And now let's see, that's a pull. What about pushing? What did we push? Kicking a ball. Kick a ball. There we go. Okay, now we have a kick a ball. Here's one here, and those are all pushing because we're pushing the ball with our foot. So let's try this little guy here and see how he's nice and transparent. When I grab him beside that little square, I can make him much smaller. And so when he's up against the background, you can see just the image itself. If I bring this little guy back over here, you can see how there's a white background. Honestly, the transparent are better, but if you can't find one, that's okay too. To add an image to our drag and drop that has to do with a push or pull or balance or unbalance, you're going to go to the icon bar right here, and you're going to click on the little square with the mountains, which is the image, and it says insert image when you hover. You're going to click search web. And then when the menu pops up on the right-hand side, you type in what you're searching for. So let's see, another pull might be a pull wagon, clip art, transparent background. I like to do clip art because it makes it, cute things. And let's see if we can find, maybe we should add the word pulling a wagon. So here we have one right here. And let's see if there's anything. Here's a black and white one. Here's the donkey in the cart. Let's try that. I'm going to drag it over here. Oh, that's a good one. A donkey in the cart. There we go. He's kind of funny looking, Put him over here. And then again, to search, just type in here and pulling a wagon. How about we push-ups, doing push-ups. Hit enter. And then here we've got a good one right here. You can go through and scroll down to look at for different pictures. I think I'm going to pick the first one here. Drag it over, click on it, drag it over, or you could click insert down here. When you click on it, you can click insert. Either way it works. So there's a push-up. Make him a little smaller, stick him over there. And then when you're finished, you can click the X to close it. And that is how you find images for your drag and drop.